Hey everyone, this is Julian from AutoPH, and today we'll be checking out this new dashcam I just got, the 70mai A810, and we'll be installing it in my car. Let's unbox it first. Once opened, you'll find the instruction manual and the electrostatic sticker for later. Of course, the camera. This is the camera, as you can see. It's not too big. The camera lens itself is also adjustable, so you can angle it the way you want and the way you need. And then we also have the USB adapter for your car's power outlet. The USB A to C wire for connection, and a prying tool. Let's turn it on. Just connect it to a power source and it'll run. Also, insert a micro SD card, of course. Once you boot it up, make sure to set the date and read through the menus, as this has various functions such as ADAS like a car, with lane departure and front collision warnings. Don't forget to download the 70mai smartphone app. I already have it since I have a 70mai Dashcam in my other car. You can use this to review and download any footage you have. And here's my car, a Mitsubishi Montero Sport GT. Let's install. So what I currently have in my car is this rear view mirror style dashcam. So let's pull that out first. So installing the 70mai A810 is very simple. So of course we have the camera over here, but let's plug it into our power source first. So we have here the one I showed you earlier to plug into the outlet of the vehicle. Let's plug the USB over there and plug it into our 12-volt outlet in the car. Of course, it'll boot up again once you plug it in. And once that turns on, just try it out first here on your dashboard. So just put it where you think that you'd like to have it best. So I found the spot that I wanted to be on. So we will now get the electrostatic sticker that was provided with the camera. So we have that over here. So just follow the instructions. Make sure to clean first your spot over here, but I already have it clean, so that's okay. And then pull out there, and then stick it to your windshield. Just make sure that you do it very well aligned. And then once you're done with that, of course, again, the camera, take out the small piece over here for the adhesive of the camera itself, which is removable, by the way. So there we go, you can remove that, but I'll just leave it in and just align this with our sticker on the windshield. And there, we already have our dash cam placed on the windshield. So just plug it in again and you'll be able to see the exact angle that you've gotten. And the next step is to use the prying tool so that you can hide these ugly wires. So just put it inside here. Actually, if you need the space to put it, just pull it using the prying tool. And with that, here are some sample shots taken by the 70mai A810. With its 4K recording capability, you can see how crisp and clear the images are, so clear that license plates can be easily read. The angle is also wide enough for a good view of your surroundings. Once darkness hits, it's still very clear, ensuring that you won't have any trouble with shots in the dark.